Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I turned a regular quick grip clamps into a very useful and easy to use vise. All you need is a 3D printer and some assembly skills. Although the vise is not aimed for hard jobs, it is great for soldering and assembling. No more rotating the knob of your vise for minutes in order to get the desired span. The required part you'll need to buy is the quick grip itself. I used a quick grip of the brand KENDOO, with beam cross-section dimensions of 10 mm wide * 3.4 mm thickness. In my case the vise has a span of 185 mm. If you have clamp with different beam cross-section dimensions, you can edit the holes of the red parts accordingly or ask me to upload new version with the desired dimensions. The two end parts are designed to be press-fit onto the metal beam of the clamp. The center part has a little bit more gap around the beam and it should slide easily along the beam. All parts can be printed without support if you face all the parts correctly on the printing bed. In the center part 1 used enable bridge function in Cura when slicing the model. I printed mine with my modified Creality Ender 3 printer with PLA in 2 different colors. The red parts were printed with 60% infill and the gray ones, jaws, with 100% infill. The jaws of the vise can be removed and replaced, according to the specific needs. The assembly is very straightforward. You just have to remove all unnecessary parts from your clamps, and slide the printed parts onto the metal beam. When assembling the vise, please keep in mind that you can choose if the handle of the grip will be pointing towards you or away from you. I prefer the second option since it gives more space for my hands on the table. Finally, don't forget to add rubber pads below the two end parts to prevent the vise from sliding on the table. If you print one, please share your result. Thanks.